Hi there, if you've got a Ring doorbell and it keeps running out of juice and you need to recharge it quickly, what is the best solution? The best solution is to have another battery. So order a second battery, put that one on charge, and then I'll show you quickly how to change the battery over. It takes a second. So first of all, using your gadget there, you will unscrew under there, which I've already done. And then you just pop the front off, which is pretty straightforward to do. You've got to apply a little bit of force, just like that, just unplug that one, and then let's just turn the camera around for you. Then it's just a case of pressing that button there, and the battery will then slide out, easy as that. Then of course what I was saying to you a minute ago is I've got one that I've charged earlier, so just a simple case of just slide that in until it clicks. Just as simple as that. Then I will drop my front back on. So again, it just plugs in like that. All reactivated, as you can see there. And then screw that puppy in to the bottom using my blue fancy pants screwdriver that came with the Ring setup. So screw that one in there and everything's secure. That whole process took me about a minute, and now I've got this spare battery which I can now go and charge up, because these things will take all day to charge. Charge them on a micro USB, wait for all the lights to turn to green as it indicates on that graphic on the battery. So the quickest way to get the Ring doorbell back online quickly is to buy a separate battery, which will cost you about 20 quid. I'll show you a link below to that. Catch you guys on the Ring Schming flip side. I couldn't have said it better myself.